Listen and read.
Career, dream, get, interest, interested, leave, life, spend, stay. Career, a wonderful career. A career in medicine. To make a career. My brother wants to make a career in photography. Dream. My dream. A big dream. My dream is to travel abroad. His biggest dream was to become a sportsman. Dream, dreamed, dreamt. She dreams to be an actor. What are you dreaming about? Get, got. To get presents. To get letters. What did you get for your birthday? Where did you get this beautiful picture? Interest. A strong interest. A place of interest. James has a strong interest in farming. There are many places of interest in our city. Interested. To be interested in sport. To become interested in music. Leave, left. To leave home. To leave Glasgow for London. After their children finished school, they all left for London. Life. Lives. An interesting life. A long life. The lives of our great-grandparents. What do you know about her life? Life in a big city isn't like life in a small place. To spend. Spent. To spend time on books. To spend 2 weeks at the sea. How long did he spend on his breakfast? To stay, stayed. To stay in at a hotel. To stay with friends. That night I didn't go home, but stayed with my uncle and aunt.